Welcome to Alan Yoyoing series number 2. We're going to look inside the yo-yos today. Yep, open them up, Alan. Just unscrew them. So we're going to look at the different response systems inside the yo-yos. You can do it a bit faster.
Performing a
Very delicate
yo-yo dissection.
Alright. And the other one too. So here we have a yo-yo factory whip. Let's remove the string here. Okay, as you can see, these two yo-yos are quite different. Let's space it there. So, as you can see, inside the yo-yo here is the bearing. So this is what keeps the yo-yo spinning. This one has a small one here. Okay, there are different response systems. So this one's a silicone pad, and so the string rubs against it, and that's what brings the yo-yo up. Okay, this one has a starburst response. You can see the stars there. Yeah, cool.
Alright.
And so basically the string rubs against it and it brings the yo back up. Okay?
Now Jono is going to show us how to put it back together.
What? Alright. Okay. Alright.
Because I have no clue how to.
Okay, so you just have to put the okay. So normally you screw together the yo-yo first. So like if you put the string straight on the bearing like that, the string could get caught in the bearing, or you get little bits of fluff inside there, inside here. So you don't want that. So what you do? Oh, which string was which? Never mind. So you take the non-knotted ends and you just untwist it like that. You put that around the yo-yo. Okay. And then you just, yeah, cool. And yeah, that's it. Oops. Cool. So you can actually hear the starburst response system grinding against the string there. Hear that? Yeah. So yeah. So silicone pads are generally nicer for your strings. They don't wear down your strings as quickly, but they do wear down, so you may need to replace them. Yeah. Okay, so string apart, put it around the yo-yo like that. Twist it. Cool. So silicone, you can hear it's a lot quieter and more damp kind of sound. I think it's depends on you what you like, but yeah, I think Alan prefers the Loop 720, right?
Yes, I do. At this moment.
Yes, at this moment. All right, is that all?
Yep. Thank you to Professor Yo-Yo.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.